Hey everyone, I'm back for a quick tour of the 2024 Honolulu Pokemon Center. Now, I'm first going to take a quick apology about the sound. It was really loud in there, so I've done my best with the audio that I had. So thank you for your patience and enjoy. Stick around for later in the video to see not only an incredible performance, but also the competitor kit highlights. So stick around until the end or skip ahead if you'd like to. Okay, so first thing, we've got the bag. I'm loving the nautical theme. Just look at everything. It's like an aquarium winter wonderland, and I'm completely obsessed. Let's go look at more. Of course, you've got the double deck boxes. They're 5 per customer, which is actually pretty good. The bags were only 1 per customer, and they were like 45 bucks. Let's have a look at the other pieces of merch together. They've got, oh my God, look at this. So there's a bucket. I'm desperate for this. So I actually feed my fish out of a bucket at home. So weirdly, like I can use the shovel and the bucket to feed the fish. The bottle's gorgeous. The plushies are super cute, and Azumarill is actually one of my favorites, so super happy. I'm gonna learn to play the ukulele, so you guys gotta quiz me on that. The flat cap with the badges is super cute. And the dice, wow. We got the sleeves. The dice are really reasonable at $34.99. Here's the Honolulu playmat. Absolutely stunning, $24.99. The deck box is $6.99, and the double deck box is $12.99. And of course, the bucket, the most important thing, is $29.99. Not bad at all. I am so pleasantly surprised. Look at that shirt. The bucket hats are everything. Spiel is being a good guardian. Lovely Honolulu ball there. And we're moving on to Sleeve Town, baby. I love these little deck boxes. It's a fun fact that in Japan, these are called useless boxes. That's how it translates. They're only $2.99 each, and they're stunning. Again, these are limit 5 per customer. And the sleeves there, $7.99, nice and easy. And Scuba Pikas. I kind of wish as a display idea they'd have put like some grated tissue paper in here, like some blues, and kind of made it look like they were swimming in the display, but I can appreciate that might be difficult and messy. The Suda signed the little beach hut in the middle. Cramorant is diligently keeping guard, and I really like the full-size surfboards they've done. Blissey is ready for a ride. And these are like cooler bags with the little pin-up berries, and there's Snom, Sobble, and Pikachu. Do it Einstein. From the mountains to the ocean, from the to the sun. On the island. The pin-up berry shirt! Here's a little Scuba Pika figure, only $19.99. The world's plushies are super sweet this year. They're Azumarill, Scuba Riolu, and of course, Scuba Pikachu, with all of the appropriate merch around here, socks and shirts.
Limited to 2.
Limited to 2 per person?
Yes.
Ooh, they're nice. Shirts, hats, beach towels, they've got everything. Another sarong, I'm gonna catch them all. Even the floor? Oh my gosh! Floaties and a waterfall. Everything! The Tatsugiri friends. Of course, the Hawaiian shirts. And a beach bag. I've picked one of these up. They're limit 1 per person. They're $79.99. And sadly, I had to put it back because we realized we couldn't afford it. Maybe next time. I love how it lights up. That's so pretty. The fact they did this comfy wrap towel for keeping yourself cool when it's sweaty is everything. And of course, lots of Pokemon cards. But into the next section, the skate shop, baby. 3 playmats. I believe these are available on the Pokemon Center online store. I think my favorite is that one on the right. Spell tag Gengar. And the Gengar, well, the attack names on the little pulleys are cool. And then there's a denim jacket as well. This really is a cool skate shop. Gengar hats, those are nice. These jackets are so beautiful. They are $120 each, but they're real denim jackets, and all the embroidered parts are just stunning. Plushies, 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 all the plushies you could ever dream of. And some figurines. There's kind of everything, honestly. I feel like if one of your favorite Pokemon isn't here, you need to get some better favorite Pokemon. But one of my favorite plushies they've got is this Comfy, which has Velcro so you can wear it. I had to show you this just because I like the display of the upside down feet for the socks.
There's just some upside down feet over here.
Oh no! Team Rocket captured a Snorlax! And we've got these little kind of pin-up berry range and Pikachu with his snow cone. So cute! And it's time to head out. We are done with our Alolan shopping spree. It is time to check out. All the beach umbrellas. That's pretty cool. I like how it's kind of themed, but it's also outdoors, so it's very warm. Okay, when you receive your badge, I got my Riolu media badge. You also get to receive Steenie in Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. You get a map of the event, very important. Obviously the lanyard, which I'm wearing, has my lovely cute Pikachu friend on, so that's just the lanyard packet. And a Twilight Masquerade booster pack, which I'm going to open one-handed for you, so give me a moment. We'll see if we got anything good. So that's just for collecting your badge, so whether you're a spectator or a competitor, it doesn't matter. Everyone gets a boosty, so that's pretty fun. Love it when they're able to provide for the community. Here's the code if anyone would like it. You may have it. Good luck to whoever claims that. And let's have a gander. Apom, Poliwag, Helioptile, Corfish, Scolipede, Bug catching set with us catching bugs, Kieran, Goldie, Yo, Cornerstone! Yo, Cornerstone Mask, Ogre Bunny X! That's what we're talking about. Not bad at all. Well, good luck to everyone at Worlds who might be playing Cornerstone Ogre Pony X, I guess. You also get to receive Steenie in Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. You get a map of the event, very important. Obviously the lanyard, which I'm wearing, has my lovely cute Pikachu friend on, so that's just the lanyard packet. And a Twilight Masquerade booster pack, which I'm going to open one-handed for you, so give me a moment. We'll see if we got anything good. So that's just for collecting your badge, so whether you're a spectator or a competitor, it doesn't matter. Everyone gets a boosty, so that's pretty fun. Love it when they're able to provide for the community. Here's the code if anyone would like it. You may have it. Good luck to whoever claims that. And let's have a gander. Apom, Poliwag, Helioptile, Corfish, Scolipede, Bug catching set with us catching bugs, Kieran, Goldie, Yo, Cornerstone! Yo, Cornerstone Mask, Ogre Bunny X! That's what we're talking about. Not bad at all. Well, good luck to everyone at Worlds who might be playing Cornerstone Ogre Pony X, I guess. And here's a look at the competitor kit. So We're starting out with a screen cleaner, really nice Honolulu cap with a cork front, scuba pika, double deck box. This one's like a little satchel bag, but it's really nice. Here's my hand for size. Goose isn't part of the competitor kit, but he's here for my emotional support. Here's the beautiful backpack in like a seafoam green. We've got the shirt, which is a really nice material. It's thinner than kind of cotton and it's a bit stretchy. So I feel like that's good for sizing, but also it'll be nice if it's warm, which it is out here in Honolulu. Obviously we've got the countries on the back, the regions that are participating, and you've got a little Honolulu stamp on the sleeve as well. Pika sleeves. This is the promo pack, and there he is. Of course, we get the little bag, and there's lots of friends in the background. Corsola, Pink Urchin, Lantern, Brushix. We've got Mantike, Comfy, Floette, Bounce Sweet, Love Disc, Frillish, Octillery, another Frillish, Krabby, Boinacle, and the Honolulu 2024 competitor pin badge. So unfortunately, an at-home update. My suitcase didn't make it back to the UK, so I actually haven't got any of my world's merch yet. I'm hoping that it makes its way back, but as of right now, I still don't have my suitcase. So as lovely as everything was, I've spent a lot of money and I don't have any of the merch. I was mainly wanting a couple of bits for myself, as you could tell throughout the video. However, a lot of it was actually for giveaways on my Twitch channel. So keep an eye on my Twitter for updates on my suitcase and its return. Hopefully we'll be able to get some stuff. I did manage to get one ukulele and one skateboard thanks to my early appointments. However, the skateboard was in the suitcase that is not around. So sadly, I'm going to have to put a pause on that and wait. So cross your fingers and toes that it gets back to me, and I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the sweet songs of this incredible artist.
Well, the mountains too large,